In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no speaker or headphones are plugged in Windows 10. So to fix this issue, firstly click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now in here you need to copy and paste these two commands. This is the first command. I will give in description both. So copy and paste here. Press enter. The command completed successfully. Now similarly copy this second command and paste here. Now press enter. Now close it and restart your PC. If this method is not work, so try second method. Click on start and type device manager. Open device manager. Now expand sound, video and game controllers. Right click on Realtek Audio. Click on update driver. Firstly select first option. If it not work, so try update driver and now select second option. Let me pick from my list and select here Realtek Audio. Now wait for a while till this processor will be complete. Now click on close. It will ask for restart, so restart your PC. And after restart it's not working, so again click on right click and now you need to click on uninstall device and uninstall it. Now close it and again restart your PC. Hopefully after restart all issues will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.